Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable TPM 2.0 and UEFI Secure Boot for Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing a key such as F2, delete, F10 or escape during startup. Once in the BIOS, find the TPM setting. It may be called TPM 2.0 Intel PTT or even AMD FTPM depending on your motherboard. Enable the TPM option and save the change. Next, locate the secure boot setting usually under the boot security or authentication menu. Make sure boot mode is set to UEFI, not legacy or CSM. Then enable secure boot. Save your changes and restart the computer. After Windows start, simply press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc and press enter to verify that TPM 2.0 is enabled. You can also run msinfo32 and check the secure boot states shows on. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.